Welcome back. We can continue exercise 15a. Now we can do question number 2. In a trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to side DC and the diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at point P. Prove that triangle APB is similar to triangle CPD. Second one, PA into PD is equal to PB into PC. First we want to prove triangle APB is similar to triangle CPD. For that, consider the triangle APB and triangle CPD. So if you are taking this angle P, that is APB and BPC, these two are vertically opposite angles. So that angle P, so APB and DPC, these two are vertically opposite angles. So this one, angle APB is equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. Next is given CD is parallel to AB. So PAB will be equal to what? This angle will be equal to, since AB is parallel to CD and CA is the transversal, PAB, that is same as CAB. So this angle A will be equal to, since this is a transversal, these two will be equal, that is PCD will be equal to PAB, that is PAB, this angle will be equal to PCD. These two angles are equal. So we know if two angles are equal, we can directly write what these two triangles are similar using AA postulate. So first part is triangle APB is similar to triangle CPD. Next we want to find out PA into PD is equal to PB into PC. Since these two triangles are similar, we can say that the corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. That is a condition of similarity. So which are the corresponding sides? So PA of this triangle has a corresponding side PC. So PA divided by PC is equal to, take this PB, side PB of this triangle is corresponding to which one? PD. So these two sides and these two sides are proportional. So we can write PA divided by PC is equal to PB divided by PD, since what? Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So in short, I wrote like this way, CSSTP. So next time onwards I will do like this way, CSSTP, corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So you should write fully, corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Okay, so cross multiply, PA into PD is equal to PB into PC. That is our second part. Thank you.